In today's video, I will show you how you can earn more than thousands of dollars a month with YouTube Shorts without showing your face and copying and pasting. The first step is to go to the 3 Shorts site of YouTube. When you search for Shorts here on YouTube and the short shelf on YouTube, it will show you everything, a short video now available on the platform. There are 538 million videos and 29 million channels, which may sound like a lot, but it's actually very little, because by the end of this year, there will probably be over 1 billion videos, and by the end, in the next year, there will be close to 10 billion videos. So it's too early in the game and you want to start with this. How did I find this particular niche? I went and searched and I just scrolled down, and you can see there are some videos that don't show people faces. So this one is right here. If you scroll down, there are video games right here, food and other special places. So what I did was I scrolled for about 7 and 10 minutes. I found a super hidden niche that I just want to share with you, so you don't have to scroll for 7 and 10 minutes yourself. So we have to go ahead and go directly to the second step. So we choose SMR slime videos, and I know this might sound weird to you, but if you scroll down, there are people playing with slime, and you've probably seen these videos before. For example, these videos have 234,000 views respectively. It has 135,000 views and 1 million views. Sometimes, like this video, even million of views. There are many channels that do this and just use a market like this. They get millions of views and subscribers. Now if we go to PassiveIncome channel, we will see that they are only uploading slime videos. Some of them even show their face, and I will show you where to get slime videos without having to buy slime or your own camera. To so we have to go ahead and addresses it now. Social Blade estimated how much this channel earns per month. So it earned from 50,000 to 800,000 euro per month and 600 to 9 million euros per year. Write to me in the comments, what would you do with this income if you have it? These amounts are really crazy, just faceless YouTube shorters. So all we want to do is to implement this model. Now we have to go to the next step, get the content. That's why we enter TikTok and search for slime. Some of these accounts have 1 million followers, some of them have a few 100,000 followers, but many of them have more than 1 million followers. We click on this one that has 3,400,000 followers. When we go there, we can see that they have 3,004,000 followers, 140 million likes. So they are verified, so that the content works. They fill the content and then we see which one works. We just want to find the most viral account. We should look for items that have millions of views. So we click on this item. As you can see, they are just playing with them, and now you can see that there is a watermark in the intense place, and that's a problem because we don't want to upload this video with TikTok. So that's what we have to do for YouTube to remove the watermark, or then make this video our own without copyright. We have to edit it. We have to change the nature of it. What we're going to do is upload this to a special software that remove the watermark, and then you can continue to edit the video so that it doesn't have a copyright. What we want to do is copy the link and then enter this software. I have explained this software to you in the previous videos. Press the green button and we can edit the video. For editing, as I taught you before, we use the Canva platform, a free software where we can put some text image. So we search and select the mobile video format. We put our video there and make sure it works well. We have to edit a bit, choose the elements and shape. Now we want to add text, so we go to the text section and add a text to these shapes. We move text like this to the top of the page, and we can add another text like this, and I'm going to push it down to the bottom of the page. What we're going to do is get this video to engage people. The video, not only do they watch the video multiple items, but they actually comments, which increase engagement, because when they're commenting on the video and over, maybe 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 times, what you're going to do is the average view time goes above 100 and it goes viral. So press download and upload it to YouTube. What we do is that we publish shorts with a hashtag for the description part. We can also search on YouTube and select viral videos in this field. Therefore, we publish the video. You can also use line video, use 8 and 10 minutes of faceless automate video to make movie. Your content technology will be 10 times more than YouTube Shorts. If you are interested, I will make more videos about making money online on YouTube in the coming days. Like these videos. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.